Good evening, everyone. I am Elias Cosperil, 18 years old and cosplaying as Righteously from Genshin Impact. Na-maintain ko yung mental wellness ko with achieving my dreams. For the sake of achieving my dreams talaga, like, minsan yes, challenges may be hard. Yun. Hindi naman natin pwede sabihin na lagi ka masaya. Minsan talaga may babagsak. Pero at the end of the day, ikaw lang naman kasi makakatulong sa sarili mo eh. So, ayun, imbis na aside ka lang dyan na nagkukup-kup, why not like try standing up? If wala ka motivation, do it without motivation. That's fine. Kasi motivation doesn't come from nothing. There has to be something na foundation ng motivation. And that's how I maintain my mental wellness. Even though na sabihin natin, hindi masyado okay ang mental wellness, there's something I am proud of, and that's myself. For what I achieved, ano ang mga nadating ko sa aking buhay, especially within the cosplay community. Kailangan talaga may patience kasi hindi naman lahat ng bagay is pwede mo matapos ng madalian. Minsan kailangan mo ng aruga and discipline. And yes, ayun nga, motivation na rin din. So, napili ko lang i-cosplay si Rayo kasi like an upcoming cosplay sa Manila, Otaku Expo, February 22 to February 3 is ito yung cosplay ko, ito mismo. Yan, kaya kapag nakita niyo ako, ayun, malapit lang kayo. And also, ang mga advice ko sa mga new cosplayers is, well, approach lang kayo ng approach, pero make sure na it doesn't seem creepy na napaka-persistent mo. If napapansin mo na ayaw ka kausap, well, ayun, layo ka lang. Communication is a gamble. Minsan panalo ka, minsan talo. And, well, ayun nga, dahil 4 months pa lang ako sa cosplaying, pero nagkaroon ako ng hosting ng event. Kaya ayun, sasabihin ko na nanalo ako sa gamble when it comes to communication and forming connections. And ayun lang. Don't give up on communicating and being friendly. Thank you.